Hey everybody, this is Gabe at Security.org, and today we're unboxing the Minut Point Smart Home Alarm. Let's dive in. If you'd like to see a list of our favorite home security systems, Google Security.org Best Home Security Systems. If you have a question about today's unboxing, leave us a comment and I'll get back to you. The Minut Point Smart Home Alarm is a bit of a different type of system, and as you can see, it's just one piece. So let's go ahead and get it out. All right. Well, I like that color scheme. So I got the point here, and that kind of folds out, gives you different elements. Then we just have this one piece for the smart home alarm. That's definitely feels, I just want to say that feels pretty hefty. I know it looks like one plastic piece, but there's definitely a lot going on inside. It's a pretty heavy thing. And you've got that, wonderful 3M adhesive on the back. No camera, which is a particular point that Minut Point Smart Home Alarm makes clear in all of their advertising, that there is no camera for the smart home alarm system. Apparently they started because they saw people's webcams that they didn't feel like they needed to be seeing, and they think it's important to be able to protect your home without a smart home security camera. Of course, as a security brand, we always love smart home security cameras, but we're also open-minded. So I'm really anxious to see how well this system works. Here we've got the cable. It looks like our power adapter, micro USB. Oh no, is that micro USB? USB-C. And what else do we have here? Some screws if we don't want to go with that 3M adhesive, and Minut alarm connected to neighbors. All right, hold on, quick break. The Minut Point is an all-in-one device, and the market's definitely moving towards that really minimalist one piece, and we're wondering what you thought about that. If you like the one piece devices, or if you still want a super comprehensive system, and just leave us your thoughts below. I'd love to hear from you. Let's get back to the video. So I just want to mention a few interesting elements about the Minut Point Smart Home Alarm, just to give people an idea before we even do our full review, which will come out pretty soon, is that there is no camera on this, but it does have sound, barometric pressure, light, ambient noise, all different types of sensors installed. And once you put this up on your ceiling, another thing to note, you basically only have to charge it twice a year. So you can put it up, take it down, takes 4 to 6 hours to charge, and you're ready to go. So you don't have to worry about keeping it plugged in. That's why this doesn't come with an adapter of any sort. You can just plug it into anything that takes USB, charge it up, and you're ready to go for another year. So it's definitely one of the more novel home security devices that we've ever seen here at Security Brand, and I'm actually looking forward to diving into something that is so different. So just think about the fact that you download the app, install this on your ceiling, and you're ready to go. So that's our unboxing of the Minut Point Smart Home Alarm. If you appreciated today's video, give us a like and hit that subscribe button. As always, this is Gabe at Security Brand. Be secure.